If you're selling clothes, shoes, handbags, or fishing products, let me show you how I create a professional AI fishing advertisement from start to finish. The best part is that I've made the workflow as simple as possible. So let's get started. Okay, so I've included the master prompt, so I made it easy for you. I've left the link in the description box where you can download this universal fishing master prompt. You only need one prompt for almost any fishing or beauty product. Simply you upload your reference images, paste the prompt, and let the AI create a professional luxury fishing campaign for you. So it's simple, beginner friendly, and it works for clothing, shoes, handbags, jewelry, accessories, and so much more. So go ahead and grab it from the description box below. So I'm not copying these outfits. I'm simply looking for ideas, the colors, the style, the overall look, and the feeling that I want my advert to have. So once you find something you like, you can save it. Okay, scroll. When you are here on Pinterest, you can just scroll down and then just search for something that you might admire. So let me. So I'm gonna go with something simple. Okay, so let me just go with this dress. Let me just click on top of it. So what's going to happen is you can just copy it like this, copy the image, or you can just click on the image and click on screenshot and you then copy it. All right. So you're going to come here where it says what do you want to create, and then you click on it, and then you're going to paste the image that you got from Pinterest, and then it will upload here. So you're going to need to wait for it until it finished uploading. Okay, and then I also have the image that I usually want to upload as is going to be used as my model. So I'm going to upload this image as a reference too. Okay, so I'm going to just bring it into the prompt, and then here I'm going to paste the prompt for the AI to generate some images for me so that I can use it to create the UGC. So I'm going to come here where it says video. I'm going to turn the mode to the image and making sure that I'm going to go with times 4 images, and then I'm going to leave it on Nano Banana and click on generate. Okay, so we got our 4 images with multiple shots. So I'm going to just select this one. I'm going to drag it into the ingredients, and then here I'm going to paste the prompt, the master prompt, and then okay, then after that you come here where it says 9 banana. So we're going to change the mode of the settings. We're going to turn it to the video, and then in the video we're going to leave it on 9:16 since the images are 9:16. And then with the video, so how many videos? We're going to go with 1, and OmniFlash will be the model that we're going to use, and then we can just leave it on 6 seconds, and then after that you click on generate, and then here are the results. Beautiful. I just love the result, the way they are. We can just move on to the next one. Also here on Pinterest, there are earrings that I actually wanna do a commercial for it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do the copy and pasting. So I'm gonna paste it here, and then this is the model that I'm going to use. When they are ready, they will be automatically be inserted into the prompt box. Okay, so here I'm gonna just paste the prompt, and then I'm gonna come here again and then remove and change the mode of the settings to the image settings, and then we can just go with let's just go with 2 times, and then we're gonna click on generate. Okay, so now we've got the results. So the other one failed, it didn't generate. So I'm gonna just go uh with this one here, and then we click on this so that we can paste the prompt. And then we're gonna come here to Nano Banana, and then we change the mode again and then we're gonna leave it on 1 time. So everything is on the right settings. Then we're gonna come here to click on generate.
Unbox timeless elegance. Crafted to captivate, shine with every moment. Timeless.
So beautiful, man. This is the final commercial created by combining ChatGPT for planning and Google Flow for production. So if you found these tutorials helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also, let me know in the comment section what type of AI tutorials you'd like to see next. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.